These are my Borosilicate glass food containers I just got from Fresh Image. So these are 12-ounce glass container meal prep containers. So I've opted for glass because, as we know, with glass it's kind of porous, and usually with food storage, depending on if they're heavier flavor, sometimes it just sinks into the plastic and you can't get it out. So with this being borosilicate, it gives you that nice premium feel. And these containers are super durable and they won't absorb food orders or become stained over time. The lids are also a very big highlight because each one has a lockdown snap and it has a seal. I've carried these in my lunchbox before and I haven't had any reason to have any issue because they haven't leaked. And it's just the right amount for a single serving for an individual. And I use them for soups, overnight oats, salads, cut fruit, salad leftovers, and meals throughout the week. And what's cool about it is that there's a 4 pack. So if you're into just separating your food, or I mean, you have a particular system of how you put, maybe you want to put oats in the green lid and you want to put soups in the blue lid. It's great. You can do either. And these are also safe for your dishwasher too. Cleaning them has been really easy as well. The glass doesn't hold onto the stains or smells even after storing food with strong flavors, and that's exactly what we wanted. And when you put them through the dishwasher, they look brand new. The clear glass is designed to, you know, being able to see what's inside of your container as opposed to, you have storage in your fridge. You want to be able to see which item you're grabbing. You'll be able to see with this clear glass. Now, these stack very nicely as well. So that way you're able to actually utilize proper storage in your refrigerator. The colorful locking tabs, like I said, they add a nice touch too. Besides looking good, they just make the containers way easier to identify. I mean, if you have multiple family members specifically and they're all using them at the same time, it's kind of like a good designation for the family. If I had one small suggestion, it would be remember that these are glass containers, they're durable. But like any glass product, you still want to handle them carefully to avoid accidentally dropping them. Aside from that, I really haven't found anything to complain about. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Fresh Image glass prep containers. The glass feels durable, airtight lids, nice and secure, easy to clean, and they're really just versatile for any food storage, really.